Well, hello everyone. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing a website that I personally love because it provides you with some of the most important information that you need for astronomy. Hmm. What could that be? You have focal lengths, you have aperture, you have weather, you have telescopes, you have eyepieces, you have astronomical objects, where they are in the night sky, how to locate them. So many pieces of information. But what is this website or this information that is the utmost importance? Well, I will tell it to you. It is simply the weather. Now there's weather.com, there's all sorts of websites that can provide you with the weather. But in astronomy, more specifically when it comes to viewing, you can have a perfectly clear night or day if you have a solar telescope and want to observe the sun. And it can still be bad viewing weather. This website provides you with information that will help you determine if it's a good night or day to observe, which, as I like to say, saves time and make things easy for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side as we review this website together. Okay, welcome back. First, I'll just say that my background is from Korea. I was there recently. Second, the website that I'm reviewing is going to be Meteor Blue. Now, what you're seeing here is that it looks like it's just a normal weather website, which is true. It does a great job of giving you information about the weather. You can see a 7 day, 14 day, different types of things you can observe about the weather. It provides maps, you can give you wind direction. It's a great overall website that I ironically do not use normally. I only use it for astronomy, but you see me going through it, where it pulls the information from. It can provide you locations from all across the world. You're seeing webcams. I think I typed in cities in the United States. I typed in cities in Europe just to show that it it is an amazing website. And now that I'm really looking at it outside of astronomy, it really is an amazing website, especially it's giving you wind information and all the different types of weather information, wind gusts, precipitation, sea and surf, many interesting usage that you can use this website for. But we are not here for this particular information. The most important thing is if you go to the left side and you see the column outdoor and sports, you see astronomy scene. That is what we are looking for. Now, this is very important information. In essence, as it relates to the clouds, the lower the better. That's basically how you should interpret it. The lower the value, the better the viewing site. As it relates to the index and bad layers, or not index and jet stream, which feeds into the other two. In essence, you want the index, which is 1 and 2 columns, and jet stream. All that you want green. If all that is green and the left side, the cloud covers are low values, it's a great night. It's a great night, great day. And I say all this because a lot of this information you might not need to know, but basically what you're looking for is the clouds and any atmospheric interference, which takes into account the jet streams and the indexes. So what you're seeing now is just me showing that it can view different cities from from across from across the world. So I'm just showing you that the map is not just limited to the US. You can give it longitude and latitude coordinates, but also the names of cities, and it'll give you the weather. So what you're seeing now is just me testing it, showing that, well, I'm going to France. I'm not going to France, but I'm going to France, and I'm taking my equipment with me. I want to know if it's going to be good seeing weather out there. And you're seeing that I am showing that it can. What does it look like? And it only gives you a few days. I think 2, 3 2, 3 days in advance. It's not a lot, but it is useful if you want to observe. Now, also what it shows you is that you can see the periods in which the sun is going to be up. You can see where the moon is going to be up on the side, and it'll also let you know the temperature. It'll also let you know what will be up at a particular time. All of those initials are the initials of the planets plus the moon, which is Luna or L, and P for Pluto. Yes, I'm aware that is not a planet, but they have it on here. And if you forget anything I'm saying, it gives you a description of how to interpret the most important columns in the website. I just think this is amazing information because oftentimes you might look up and it might be perfectly clear, and you realize that, and you go out and you're saying, I can't see anything. It's terrible. I don't know what's going on. Oh, and it also gives you the longitude or the coordinates. So if you are, depending on what you're doing, you can find them in the night sky. I really don't think this is important information because right now, if you're using go-tos or apps, you really don't need it. But it's good to have that information anyway, so you can find them in the night sky. But yes, just a reminder, this is very important, very, very, very important information before you go and observe. What I mean is, if you're thinking about observing, I tend to check this website just to make sure I'm not wasting my time, even if it's clear that I'm setting up and visually it looks terrible. I'm doing astrophotography, it looks terrible. This is a complete time saver. I highly recommend this website. I highly recommend that you have it as a bookmark, especially if you're looking into getting into astronomy, doing it more than once, even once. You can check to make sure that there are very few clouds. The atmosphere is cooperating. Oh, one more thing. It also gives you the moon phase. Moon phase is important because the moon ends up brightness. So overall, I think it's a good website. Hope you enjoy it, and I will see you again.